How to do it. Let me show you how to do it. Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be reviewing and doing an installation on the roof screen for a Model Y or Model S. So if you have a glass roof for a Model 3, Model Y or Model S and you want something to stop the sunlight from entering the car and keeping the heat away, this is the product that you want to get by Tesery. So we're going to do the unboxing. I honestly purchased one from Tesla directly and I was very disappointed. We did a 1,500-mile road trip with that thing on and the heat was still making it to the cabin. So by installing this, I'm hoping it is going to be much better. There it is. So this is the back side because of the two humps that you can see. This goes on the back side. The silver stays on top, this side stays on bottom, and that kind of gives it the heat resistance. So this is silver, is going to reflect the heat. And same thing with this. This is the front part, goes in like this. This stays on the inside of the car. This is facing the roof, so the heat gets. So the final result is going to be something like this. You can see it better. And we're going to do the installation on this, remove the one from the Tesla brand and install this. Okay, so the installation is fairly simple. All these clips, everything comes with it, and I'll tell you exactly what the different sizes are. So you'll see a lot of them exactly the same. We're going to see 2 of these and 2 of these. So these kind of go all around, so you can use 5 of these, 5 on one, 5 on the other, and these will go in between these two. This particular clip will fit in like this, so half will be on this side and half on this side, and they will keep them together. This one flips in just like this at an angle, like this, and then this one flips in right inside and keep it together. So it's that simple. These clips you can do like this and the clips are, and then this will go inside between the glass and the roof. So installation, all you have to do is just stick the clip inside. Clip falls, not an issue. You can install it again. It's not going to fall once it's in. Just push it in.